So, pagkwenta naman yung story ng pagsisikat ng restaurant na ito.
Bali yung Sincerity, nag-start sa way back 1956 pa with my grandparents. Started as a small mommy house. Then a few years later, it evolved into a full-scale restaurant. As their initial capital was only 600 pesos during that time.
Grabe naman, 600. Pero, paano naman sumigat ang chicken? Sorry.
Yung chicken naman kasi, parang yung kapatid ng dad ko. She wanted to have something oriental na fried chicken. So they decided to come up with a fried chicken that has an oriental taste.
Nice.
Okay. Kaya siya naging masarap, pinabalik-balikan ng customer namin, is that yung hindi mo na siya kailangan ng ketchup or gravy.
It's sincerely masarap na.
Yeah.
Anyways, can you show us naman how to cook one of your best sellers?
Yes, I can show you our fried oyster cake.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung fried oyster cake natin.
Yep.
So, it's made of flour and water. Tapos, sa loob ng batter natin, we have oysters, bean sprouts, tsaka yung kuchay na tinatawag natin.
Parang siyang omelette, no? Yung itsura niya, no?
Yung texture niya, when you eat it, it's a bit gooey na chewy siya.
Wow! Ang tama yan. So, lumilipad.
Yan yung way, since my grandparents pa, ganyan talaga yung pagturo nila sa amin. Tapos, some of our customers, mas gusto nila na medyo burnt yung oyster cake. Parang may smoky flavor yan. Mas toasted siya.
Saka ano, no? Ang kinaganda, mabilis siyang maluto. Diba? Saglit lang.
So, after this, once it's a bit toasted, we will just add yung egg para yung coating niya sa taas. Then, it's our fried oyster cake.
Tara na, no? Excited na ako i-serve to kay Sauce and Rhea. Parang gutom na yung mga yun.
Kapag naisip pa.
Yes. Let's go, let's go.
I like the...
Super savory.
Tapos yung texture ng noodles.
I'm a
Sobrang
fan
nipis.
of Pinoy miswa with patola. It's very different from Chinese miswa.
Sarap ah.
But I like it.
Tapos duck ito.
Yes, duck. So it's super savory, you know. Very rich. Very, very
Ano ko yung boys?
Mauubos ko yung food dito. Sige sila, kakainin ko lahat.
Wait.
We were just waiting. Hey guys, we were just waiting for you. Glad you made it.
Waiting ba yan? Sa lalagay mo?
Meron pa ba?
Okay guys, here's the rundown. We have Sincerity Chicken, which they're super known for here. Over here, we have the fresh lumpia, but this is lumpiang hubad because
para
gusto ni
bagay
Sola.
sa akin.
Gusto ni Sola ng mga hubad. Okay? Over here, we have oyster cake.
Yes. Ano namin ng kanina?
Yeah, and usually it's good even with ketchup. And we have kikiam or ngoyong.
So, start na tayo. Saan kayo galing?
So, niluto niya yung oyster cake.
Yes, sobrang bilis lang yan maluto.
Sorry guys, parang hindi ko kaya mag-chicken na hindi kamay. Okay.
Talaga?
Pasensya.
Sige. Ang sarap ng lumpia nila. Parang it's a lot of veggies. It tastes more like a vegetable dish than the lumpia is deep fried with a lot of like
Yeah,
soup and
yeah.
everything.
So I really like fresh lumpia. It's actually something that I would eat on
Diet days.
even on a diet day. Pero hindi ko lang nilalagay yung sauce ko. Kasi yung sauce niya
How
matamis.
about this one? Indang.
So rich. I eat that.
Talaga.
Yun, very Chinese yung lasa. Harap.
Oo nga, tama.
Rich, no?
Yeah.
And salty.
Yeah.
But I think that's why Chinese food is pasok na pasok talaga sa panlasang Pinoy because here in the Philippines, we like ulam. Diba? Something that we can eat with rice.
We love fried.
We love fried, and we like to eat family style.
Oo nga. How's your omelette ba?
It's gooey on the inside.
Yeah, it has parang
Dahil sa oysters din yun. Diba?
it has like some sort of like rice flour mixed into it.
So boys, kayo celebrate niyo ba yung Chinese New Year?
Parang sa amin kasi sa Tondo, naniniwala kasi yung family namin sa mga traditions ng Chinese. O kaya parang maglalagay, mag-base ka ng yung lucky color, mga ganun. May mga ganun
Yeah.
ginagawa ko.
Interesting. Wow, ano
Oh, may
yan?
bago pa.
Ooh, we got patatim.
Patatim pala to.
Yes, with... Okay, with vegetables.
Ooh, mushrooms.
Oh, it looks really soft.
Kapag talagang masasarap ang pagkain, masisira ang diet mo. No? Wala kang magagawa kundi kumain ng kumain.
Maraming masasarap na healthy.
Yes.
And look at us, guys. No carbs.
Yeah.
Napakalambot
Noodles.
naman ang meat nito.
These are the moments talaga na gusto mong kainin yung balat, yung fat, it's
Yun.
like gelatin, natutunaw siya mag-isa. That's kind of my favorite thing. And